Dear students, today I am going to explain you Unit 1, Chapter 2. Name of this chapter is Maps. Here I will explain you definition of globe and maps, their differences, types of maps and definition of sketch and plan. Let's start. Globe and maps, definition and differences. Globe. Globe is a small model of the earth. We use a globe to represent the spherical earth. Map. The earth's surface, either whole or part of it, can be represented on paper. Such a representation is called map. Now, differences between map and globe. Here are 5 differences. First, map can have accurate information and easier to handle. Map can be rolled or folded and easier to handle. A map is easy to use and portable than globe. It is easier to identify regions in map than globe. Map can show the part of the earth using different symbols in more details, whereas globe cannot. Now, types of maps. There are 3 types of maps. First, physical map. Physical map show natural features like mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, and so on. Political maps. Political maps show boundaries of countries and of the states and location of the cities and town, etc. Third, thematic map. Thematic maps show the types of solid soils, forest areas, distribution of minerals and industries, etc. Definition of sketch and plan. Sketch. A rough drawing showing only some features of an area drawn without using any scale is called sketch. Plan. A drawing of a very small area showing detail drawn using a very large scale is called plan. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.